What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Bitcoin Cash today. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. We are sitting at about $442. We closed yesterday's price at $450. Beautiful move, nice move, 6.6% to the upside. Not a whole lot of volume, that's okay. We did close green, which is nice. Getting above the 40 is good. Holding these higher lows in the RSI is nice as well. So that changes this look, this look of potentially getting lower highs and lower lows and going to the oversold zone. It changes this look into something that's a little bit more optimistic. Higher lows, higher highs. Might be starting something of an uptrend here soon. So or right now. So bouncing off the 123 moving average, good things, all good things, right? We look at the 4-hour time frame here, and we are bullishly postured in the 4-hour RSI as well. Bullish divergence played out. Volumes coming in. Hopefully it continues. Hopefully we don't stop here. If we stop here, that's okay, I suppose, but we wouldn't want to get like too much of a rejection. If we go back below 420, we likely will go below $400. So hopefully we don't do that. I would really like it if we could not just not stop here and continue, but if we could get above $480, I think that'd get us that would get us in shape for the next move up. Sorry, guys. Likely anywhere from about like $520 to $580, somewhere in between there. So definitely excited for what's to come here. It does seem that we're getting ready to break out of this kind of bottom range of this overall consolidation phase that we've been in now since the end of October, or end of November, I'm sorry. Beginning of December, I guess, actually. It does seem like we're getting ready for that. I think getting above the green line, the 123 moving average here, that'll signify that. The daily bouncing off of the green line, continuing upwards would also help. And then the 3-day time frame, I don't know. 3-day time frame, the RSI, oh, that's not what I meant to do. The RSI looks a little bit concerning, to be completely fair. So I'd like this thing to get up above the 50s, really getting higher, getting above these highs here that you continue to find resistance at. Getting above that 55 area I think would be nice, but really getting above 60 would be just kind of the ticket to suggest that we are looking good, that we are moving higher. Again, a move down to like 420 or lower, you guys, would suggest that we're probably going to not just move down below 400, but we'd probably move down to about like 365 or lower. Okay, so we don't want to give up 420. We wick below there, it's okay. We close below there, it's not okay. I want to look at the BCH BTC chart real quick, and then we'll end this video. Okay, BCH BTC on Binance. Looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, bullishly postured. I like it. Yeah, man. There we go. I liked it more. It'll be, you know, it needs to just keep growing. It needs to keep growing. It's got the higher highs right now in the RSI with the lower highs in the price, and that's what's not good, right? You got the higher highs. You're at an area that you'd reject. Let's just see what you do. I suspect you don't keep going here like right now immediately, but you probably do keep going overall. Let's just see what you do, right? I like that you're above the 123 moving average there. Daily time frame. Daily time frame's not looking so hot, but the RSI is looking a bit hot actually. That's good. 3-day time frame. Kind of sucks. There's some good things though. You are living above the 40. It's like you're showing weakness, but you're not showing maximum weakness. You're like reluctant to show weakness, so that's good, I suppose. Weekly time frame just looks like it's waiting, man. It's waiting, right? You're ready to rip above this. You're just like, when's your time? It's this next attempt is going to be your time. Probably sometime in February, man. I don't know, or earlier. Yeah, man. I got nothing else for you guys, I guess. We're just waiting on Bitcoin Cash to see this eruptive move, and I think it will be eruptive. I think on a weekly time frame, when you break out of this downtrend in the RSI, that'll result in a powerful move on the weekly price, BCH versus BTC, that we haven't really had, you know, since this downtrend started here. So I think we'd see a very powerful move. If Bitcoin Cash, by the end of its next move, sees its Bitcoin pairing grow to something like this at about 113%, that would reflect very well for Bitcoin Cash as well. I'm expecting Bitcoin by the end of this move to be anywhere from like 140K to 170K, right? So if it was at 140K by the end of this next move, and that was a 50% move, let's say, for Bitcoin, if it moved up 50%, and then BCH versus BTC were to move up 111%, that would mean that Bitcoin Cash moves up something like 160% in that same amount of time. And if it's worth, what's it worth right now? 440, 450, 440. 150% of 440. I mean, 100% would be 880. Another 50% is 200 and some. So that'd be what, about $1,100, $1,200, something like that. So that's nice. And this is, it's just rough math. It's not like 100% accurate. Maybe instead of 111%, it's 108%. Maybe instead of 108%, it's 128% from here. I don't know. Maybe Bitcoin, instead of being at 140K, is at 170K by the end of this move, and then this overall math would be larger. But there's definitely a lot suggesting that Bitcoin Cash, beyond just the price projections that we have here on the fibs, there's a lot suggesting that we will see prices above $1,000 by the end of this next move. The BCH BTC chart agrees with that. The BCH USD chart agrees with that. I'm really curious to see what this next move looks like, because again, from a high to a low of this range, we hit our 2272 here. From the high to a low of this range, we hit our 200 level there, just below the 2272. High to low here, that 200 to 2272 area, that's at $1,900 to $2,400. I'm not anticipating that we hit this time. So where are we going to go? If it's the next level down, that's the 1886 to the 1618. That's $1,700 to $1,300. I'm really curious to see what this next move is going to look like, because based off the fibs, this is actually lesser than what we should be expecting. But I am curious. It would be bigger overall on a move perspective, though, right? I mean, just looking at the white lines there, this move overall would be bigger. But time will tell, my friends. I'm just rambling at this point. If you like the video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Shout out to the Dragon Riders in the House of the Dragon. Thank you all for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.